To heat treat your flour so it's safe to use. Place flour in a microwave safe dish and cook for 1 minute.
We already did that.
Cream. So we need to take that, and then we need.
Cool. Where's the roll back? Alright,
All
so
right.
you can use the other half.
Now we get to add in the flour. Oh my gosh.
Use this for salt.
Oh my gosh.
I think I got
Edible cookie dough.